Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to install AMZ coupon server for quickly and easily distributing Amazon single-use coupon. So first we go to install, plugins, add new, upload plugin. We drag the installation file and click install now. The file is been uploaded now. Click activate plugin and our plugin is installed. AMZ coupon server installed. We go to AMZ coupon by click setting or click AMZ, and for activating we have to put here our email and the activation code. And click activate. That's it. We are up and running. Now we will go to create a new campaign, new promo campaign. Click the create new campaign and we are in the dashboard of the campaign. First we give the campaign a name. It's for internal use. The name is for our eyes only. The buyers will not see the campaign name. Here we put the product name. And here the discount. Percentage discount or flat fee, flat constant discount. It doesn't matter if it's US dollars or euros or pounds, whatever. Here we put the ASIN of our product. The text on the button. We can choose if we want a name field in the registration form or only an email field. And we can allow one promo code per email address and one promo code per IP address. We can restrict only one promo code for email and only one promo code per IP address. This is the email that the buyer will get. We can edit the email. The shortcode product will be replaced by the name of the product from this field. This will be the name of the buyer, the name of the product, and the coupon code. This shortcode, the link shortcode, will be replaced by a link to our product page based on our product ASIN number. This will go to Amazon.com marketplace. For non-US marketplace, we can put here any other link. Or whatever. We can edit this text. Here we paste codes from the Amazon Seller Central. And we can have an alert every time a coupon is sent, and alert when last coupon sent and the campaign stopped. If we want to get these alerts, we have to put our email. That's it. We can choose if we want to display generic thank you pop-up message or send the user to a thank you page. For now, let's choose the pop-up message. We can integrate this campaign with GetResponse, MailChimp, or Aweber. We will not do this now. This is our shortcode for the submission form. We can copy it, and that's it. We just set our first campaign. Now we go to build our landing page. It can be a page or post. We can set any headline, graphics, images, whatever, and we paste our shortcode here, and let's watch. This is our landing page. Of course, we can build it, design it however we want. Let's test it. Okay, this is the generic pop-up message. Let's build a thank you page. If we want our coupon to display here, we will go back to our campaign and take this shortcode and paste it here. We can make it bold or even colored. This is our thank you page. We will take the URL of the thank you page and put it here. And then again update and save. Let's test it again. And now this is our thank you page with the coupon code. We can add a link to the thank you page, link to our product. And when a buyer will put here his name and email address, he will get an email with the coupon to his inbox. This is my coupon code. And now let's go to my inbox. And that's all, folks. Thank you very much.